Alright, so you've checked your ions and you know how they are and symbols, names, and charges. If you don't, you might want to make some flashcards and practice with those. But we're going to move on here and we're going to talk about how do you write names with these ions and how do you write formulas with these ions. So let's take an example. Here's a compound, lithium nitrate. What did we do before? Write the ion with its symbol and charge. So let's do that. The cation is lithium. That's Li with a +1 charge. The anion is nitrate. That's NO3 with a minus charge. +1, -1 adds to 0. We're good. So just write them down. The compound is LiNO3. Pretty simple. Right, calcium hydroxide. Let's go with this one. What's the cation? Calcium, Ca with a 2+ charge. What's the anion? Hydroxide is OH minus. Alright, well, that doesn't work. You add that up, you don't get 0. So we're going to do the crisscross rule. We're going to take this 2 and put it at the bottom of the hydroxide. And we only need 1 calcium to get it, but we don't put down ones. So the compound is Ca parentheses OH2. Now we did that with the parentheses because we want 2 hydroxides. We want 2 of the oxygen and 2 of the hydrogen. If I put it without the parentheses, if I just had CaOH2, no parentheses, that would be 1 calcium, 1 oxygen, and 2 hydrogen. Not what I want. I don't want 2 hydrogen, I want 2 hydroxide. So the parentheses are important. Let's try ammonium sulfate. What's the cation? NH4 with a +1 charge. What's the sulfate? SO4, 2-. Again, we're going to need to double that ammonium cation so that we can match the charge and get to 0. So there we have 2 NH4s and an SO4. The parentheses keep our group together, and I want 2 of that group, ammonium sulfate. So you try these. Actually get out a piece of paper, write down the name of the compound, put the ions in their charge, and then write the name, the symbols for the compound. Alright, and hit pause now and do that. Come back when you're done. Okay, so here they are. Did you have sodium +1 and CO3 for carbonate and a 2-? If you did, you do the crisscross, you get Na2CO3. Right, barium, that was a 2+ charge of the alkali earths. Phosphate, PO4 with a 3- charge. We're going to crisscross to get Ba3, parentheses, PO4, close your parentheses, 2. Magnesium is the cation, Mg2+. Sulfate is SO4, 2-. The charges match, 2+, 2-, so you just wrote it down. If you need more practice with those, come see me and I'll give you some more to do. Otherwise, let's move on. Alright, so this time we just want to write the name. We have the formula. Well, all we have to do is write the name of the ions. So, the cation is calcium, the anion is nitrate, the compound is calcium nitrate. None of those covalent prefixes, no calcium dinitrate, no, that would be wrong. We only name the compound by naming the ions. Try these on your own, hit pause, come back when you're done. Okay, so there they are. How'd you do? Check your spelling. Did you write in only lowercase letters? Did you put a space between the words? Are you ready to go on?